Hello everyone, you're welcome in Optimistic Astro YouTube channel. Today we will discuss fifth part of 2021 NDA NSCDS Air Force AFCAT last 10 years vocabulary with synonym and antonym. So let's start. The first word is concealed. It means kept secret of anything. In Hindi it is gupt. Synonyms are hide, disguise, and antonyms are disclosed or revealed. Example: he concealed his thought very cleverly. Next word: denounced. It is publicly declared to be wrong or evil. In Hindi it is आरोप लगाना on someone. Synonyms are criticize or revile, and antonyms is praise. Example: the proposal was denounced by one and all. Next word: skeptical. It is not easily convinced or having doubts or reservation. In Hindi it is sandehvadi. Synonyms are suspicious or dubious, and antonyms are certain or convinced. Example: she was skeptical about the safety of the new drug. Next word: coherent. It is logical or consistent. In Hindi, it is susangat. Synonyms are consistent, reasonable, and antonyms are incoherent and muddled. Example: the answer to the question was coherent. Next word: altruistic. It is interested in the welfare of others. In Hindi, it is paropkari. Synonyms are magnanimity, nobility, and antonyms are self-centered or selfish. Example: Priyanka's altruistic nature makes her the perfect nurse. Next word: shabbily. So as to appear worn and threadbare or dilapidated. In Hindi it is फटे हाल में. Synonyms are worn, scruffy, and antonyms are decently or sprucely. Example: John is always shabbily dressed. Next word: urbane. It is courteous and refined in manner. Synonyms are polite or elegant, and antonyms are unsophisticated or boorish. Example: the new manager of the bank is urbane in his manners. Next word: thrifty. It is using money and other resources carefully and not wastefully. In Hindi it is kifayati. Synonyms are economical or prudent, and antonyms are extravagant or profligate. Example: it is necessary to develop thrifty habits to be able to lead a comfortable life. Next word: pride. Your feelings of your own worth and respect for yourself. In Hindi it is abhiman karna. Synonyms are arrogance, self-esteem, and antonyms are modesty or self-abasement. Example: many people suffer because of pride. Next word: wholesome. It is conducive to or suggestive of good health and physical well-being. In Hindi it is paustic. Synonyms are nutritious and healthy, and antonyms are unhealthy. Example: the school insists on giving wholesome food to the children for the proper growth of their mind and body. Next word: applauded. It is show approval or praise by clapping. In Hindi it is prasansa karna. Synonyms are praise, acclaimed, and disapprove or execrate are antonyms. Example: his short but pointed speech was applauded by all sections of the audience. Next word: material. It is denoting or consisting of physical objects rather than the mind or spirit. In Hindi it is bhautik. Synonyms are earthly or sublunary, and antonyms is spiritual. Example: in ancient India, scholars had no interest in political power or material growth. Next word: reluctant. It is unwilling and hesitant. In Hindi it is anichchuk. Synonyms are grudging, unwilling, and antonyms are willing and eager. Example: The young leader was reluctant to shoulder the responsibilities of the ministerial office. Next word, abandon. It is having been deserted or left. In Hindi it is छोड़ा हुआ. Synonyms are dumped, jilted, and antonyms are defended or kept. English example, he abandoned his family. Next word, abounds. It is exist in large numbers or amounts. In Hindi it is प्रचुर मात्रा में. Synonyms are flourish, abundant, and antonyms are meager or lack. Example, history abounds in instances of courage. Next word, adversity. It is a difficult or unpleasant situation. In Hindi it is vipatti. Synonyms are misery and affliction, and antonyms is prosperity. Example, adversity teaches man to be humble and self-reliant. Next word, affluence. It is the state of having a great deal of money or wealth. In Hindi it is samriddhi. Synonyms are opulent, prosperity, and antonyms are poverty or indigence. Examples, like poverty, affluence can sometimes create its own problems. Next word, squandering. It is waste in reckless and foolish manner. In Hindi it is fizul kharchi, and synonyms are misspent or splurge, and antonyms are hoarding. Example, the habit of squandering money should not be encouraged. Next word, frail. It is weak and delicate. In Hindi it is kamzor karna. Synonyms are infirm, feeble, and antonyms is strong. Example, his frail hands could hardly hold a cup. Next word, indigenous. It is originating or occurring naturally in particular place. Swadeshi. Synonyms are native, local, and antonyms is migrant. Example, each country has its own indigenous cultural tradition. Next word, poverty. It is the state of being extremely poor. In Hindi it is daridrata. Synonyms are indigence and penury, and antonyms are abundance. Example, he lived in extreme poverty. Next word. So here the fifth part of NDA series ends. And if you like this video, then please like and share. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant, and for PDF you can join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant. Thank you so much.